Welcome back. It's Sophie, it's Bella,
And it's Taylor.
and today we're going to be asking people on the streets if they know anything about soil penetration resistance testing. Let's go! Ma'am, for $100, can you name what soil penetration resistance testing is?
Lip gloss by Lil Mama.
Alright, a soil penetration test is a simple, low-cost test utilizing static or dynamic spectrometers to measure resistance to vertical penetration. What's the difference between a static and dynamic spectrometer, you may ask? Well, a static spectrometer relies on manual force to push the rod into the ground, whereas a dynamic spectrometer has a sliding weight with a known mass attached to the rod, resulting in a penetration depth value that an applied force has resulted. Using the SPR test. In the case of agriculture and other endeavors focused on the health of soil, a big question that can be answered using the soil penetration resistance test is, will the soil hinder root growth? Too compact? And the answer may be yes. Most cases in which the soil penetration resistance test is used are construction focused. Is the soil prone to erosion? And can this soil support the weight of our project?
Excuse me, sir. How is the SPR test related to
I love these.
The standard penetration test provides key data from several environmental estimates of the soil underneath the project site. Testing the soil detects any potential hazards in the soil and therefore ensures the safety and longevity of the structure.
Please measure soil penetration resistance.
We met under the I-29.
The soil penetration resistance test helps to determine the compaction of soil at a desired site and determine whether or not the soil is suitable for an intended project. Soil compaction affects water infiltration, root growth, soil health, and load-bearing capacity. We're gonna go see if we can find another one. Let's go. Come on. For $100. What's the alternative to SPT? Cone penetration testing, or CPT, is the alternative method to SPT, as it identifies subsurface conditions at a max of 100 feet. Similar to a contrometer, a long rod with a cone structure at the end is inserted forcibly into soil. It's composed of a sleeve load, a print load cell, overload protection device, a cone load cell, and a soil seal. It's usually higher resolution.
Ma'am. In what context is used the data from the SPR test?
Context? Coconut tree?
The data collected from the soil penetration test would be important when providing engineers with information about the soil's stratigraphy, strength, and composition to decide on what foundation would be best for a project.